Welcome back, everyone. I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's another Tip Tuesday. And as promised last week, we're going to continue this task management series with Microsoft Project. And I'm going to show you how to replace those generic resources with actual people within your organization. As you can see, we have resource names of marketing lead, marketing rep, social media expert, marketing staff, not actual people. The first thing we need to do is add the resources that we would like to change the assignments for. So let's go to the Resource tab and select the resource sheet. We're going to add the resources from our Active Directory or the address book. So let's choose Add Resources and choose Address Book. You can search at the top or scroll through the list and select the people that you would like to add to your team. Diego is the first person I need to add. Then Adele, Megan, Patty, and Nestor. And then click OK. Basic information about our internal users are now available, including the group that they're assigned to. Let's go back to the task view. The first thing I'm going to encourage you to do is to expand all of your subtasks because we want to be able to use some filters and sometimes they're hidden. So let's go to the View tab. In the Data group, expand the Outline option and choose All Subtasks. This will ensure that all of the groups will be expanded so that when we filter them, we'll see all of the values and nothing will be hidden. In the Resource Name column, we're going to use the filter, expand the menu, and then select the roles that you would like to replace with a particular person. Let's do Marketing Lead and click OK. Next, we're going to select the task that we want to replace the assignment for. You can select one task, hold the Shift key as you select to select a series of tasks, hold the Control key down as you select to cherry-pick different items. To replace the resource assignment, go to the Resource tab and select Assign Resources. Currently, the Marketing Lead role is selected in the Assign Resources dialog box. Let's choose Replace. And then select the person you would like to replace for that role. In this case, it's going to be Megan. And click OK. Notice that all of the items that were previously assigned to the Marketing Lead are now assigned to Megan in the Gantt chart view. Let's go do the same thing for Marketing Staff. Again, I'm going to filter, click OK, select all of the tasks, click Assign Resources, and these we're going to assign to Nestor. Select the role, click Replace. Let's scroll down and find Nestor and click OK. And now Nestor has been replaced. Continue to do this for all of the generic resources and make sure to save your file to save your changes. That's my tip for this week. Next week, we're going to switch to Microsoft Lists because I want to show you a couple of tips with Microsoft Lists, and then we're going to circle back to Project and how Project and Microsoft Lists work together. Until then, check out these great events that we have coming up. And until I see you next time, I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's my job to make your job easier.